that it's perfect.
What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. I am T2 Sugars, Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am in Rhymney. Specifically, I am at Parkside Funeral Home, and we are painting this lovely wall here. So this wall is pretty big. It's a lot bigger in person, and just to give you a little bit of a reference of how big it is. Yes, it's pretty big. What I'm going to be painting on here is a miner. So the first thing I need to be doing is I need to be marking out a giant doodle grid so that I can mark out my design. So let's get going. So I've got all my doodle grid in, I have my image on here, and I've scaled it to perfection. We're just gonna miss the top of the miner's head, as we can see down the bottom. I've already started marking out where the boots are. That's his right foot, it's his left foot, and his knee is gonna come out here. And then we are going to put some lyrics then down the other side, down the right hand side of the miner. But yeah, I've got about 90% of my grid in. I can't reach the top of this because the trusty tower here isn't quite tall enough to get me to the top of here, so we're going to get some triple ladders out and make sure that we get up the top there and get all that marked out today. So next stage is just do the outline and then come back then tomorrow when we have some more paint to bulk out all of the inside of the miner. So yeah, the weather's holding off. It might look a bit like a glum day, but it's actually quite dry. It just needed to stay that way. So let's go. So day one is done. We've got the majority of it marked out. Like I said, 99% of it, so we're going to top of his head to do. And tomorrow we're going to concentrate on getting this arm in. But all in all, it's going really well. The guy has got Arnold Schwarzenegger vibes. He's got this top lip and a little slump in the corner, kind of matching. But that's just the marking out stage. But first, I need to go. See you there. Day two, let's get cracking. So it's fill time, and we're just going to see the boys off before they hit the mine. A wet and miserable Wednesday morning. I'm going to try and see if we can get a little bit done, if it is just a little bit. But I heard it come this afternoon, it might dry up a little bit. So I'm setting you up in the window of the van so the camera doesn't get wet. But yeah, hopefully we can get the top of the miner's head in today and maybe a little bit of the body. That's a very big maybe. So, a little status update. It is raining. So I've just done a little pop home, get some tarpaulin, which is this stuff right here, and I'm gonna try and make a makeshift shelter kind of thing, because the rain is going this way, oh, and the wall is actually staying quite dry, so we can still paint. But I'm getting very wet, so I'm going to use the scaffolding to make a shelter so I can paint. Let's go. What a day! It has rained, it's been windy, the rain has started again. Might be able to hear it in the background, but I've just got home, pulled up to his house, and I'm just about to go in. But I am shattered today. I've put a lot of work in today. I got a lot done, which I'm happy with. But tomorrow is the last day, fingers crossed. We've just got to put in little bits in the background and add some lyrics to a song called The Working Man. Come back for tomorrow, which will be when I put my hand over the screen.
A pretty view from up here.
Oh, right. Just jumped in before the absolute blizzard that's coming down outside. Enjoy a quick cup of tea, but show you a quick update. It's coming along nice, but the arch, which is called the bent iron up on top of here, is giving me some issues. As in, the angles of everything need to be spot on, otherwise it would look wrong. So I'm having a joyous time with that. But hopefully this snow blizzard, sleet, snow, storm will pass, and then we can crack on finishing this mural. So yeah, we are all done with the mural up at Parkside Funeral Home in Rhymney. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys liked the mural. If you did, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
It's a working man I am, and I've been down underground, and I swear to God, if I ever see the sun, or for any length of time, I can hold it in my mind. I never again will go down underground.
So first thing I'm going to be starting. So it is fill time. I'm just gonna fill old miner boy here up, and so yeah.